it to me for a couple of weeks, and what happens?
Oh, lots of things happening. Got some puppies?
Did you, by the way, know? I got not one puppy.
Look at the puppies. Your baby. There's the first one. She's not as
That's Ivy. This is Rosie, and I have to tell you guys, Rosie is actually, this one is wild. As my daughter says, I believe I can fly. She thinks she can fly. She jumps off of everything without any fear. The last two in the litter, and I went to go get one puppy, and of course my daughter goes, Mom, you can't just get one. They're sisters.
She wasn't wrong.
So,
She wasn't wrong.
I don't know, some people say crazy, I say big heart.
Big heart. It's like me. My heart and my mouth are the size of Texas.
So we have Ellie in the house.
Oh, you need a baby.
We got Stella, we got Ivy, Rosie. Oh, Rosie, you coming back? You gonna come back? Come on.
Oh, it's a
Oh,
Rosie.
there's Rosie. I believe I can fly. Fine, let's talk about your food, chef.
Oh, hi. Weird. I'm here. I'm just joking. She's probably. Look how short she is. I've never actually seen you in flats.
No, I'm pretty sure I found last.
That's all right. Good things goes well later. So, here. Today, look at this. So, obviously the roasted Brussels sprouts.
For me.
And then I've got orange roughy on each side. And this is a freshwater shrimp, a stuffed lump crab on all three of these. I was gonna do a lemon garlic cream sauce, but
No,
The cream is the good touch in my body.
whatever, it's fine. So anyway, I made it work, and this is what I got right here. So it's lump crab stuffed shrimp, and then orange roughy on each side. It's way better with the lemon garlic cream sauce, but yo,
really fancy to homemade Italian to
everything. It has definitely just been across the board. Here, there is no job too small, there is no job too big. I have enough people that I can take care of any situation. And if you just want to do a romantic date night for two, guess what? I can do that too.
no. Oh my god, this is so good.
You know, I've been messing around with the coleslaw recipe.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
My coleslaw recipe.
This is amazing, you guys.
Yeah.
So if you have something coming up, make sure you book them. Helpheldinhand.com.
Yeah.
All right, I need to eat this. The seasoning. It did not need the cream sauce. Just didn't. I'm telling you.
It doesn't need the cream sauce. But you know what? Does anything need cream sauce?
No, exactly
It doesn't,
my
but
point.
still, it makes it a little bit better. A little bit better. Come on. You can't touch this.
Oh, you can't touch this. Oh, she still loves